Hi, this is Dr. Philip Cordova with CORE Chiropractic here in Houston, Texas. One of the questions I get from patients is that they're wondering, should they tell us or should they let their chiropractor know if the adjustments are not feeling good, if they're not feeling comfortable, or if they are? And so yes, absolutely. Now this seems like a no-brainer, like you should tell your doctor what's happening with your care, but a lot of times patients hold back because they start to believe that this is just how it's supposed to feel. They don't understand that in our office we have a lot of different techniques that we can use, and we want you to have comfortable but effective chiropractic care. And so if you find that the pops and the cracks are just not your cup of tea, if it's something that makes you feel uncomfortable, you just don't even like the sound, you'll be happy to know that we can tweak and change the chiropractic technique to find one that will be comfortable for you, that will still get you the results that you're after. So it's important to give that feedback to your chiropractor so that they know what's helping you, what's not helping you, and your general response to your adjustments.